ओरिएन्टेसन अफ हेलोजिनेसन। सबभन्दा पहिले ओरिएन्टेसन अफ हेलोजिनेसनमा हामीले बुझ्नुपर्ने कुरो भनेको ओरिएन्टेसन हुन्छ। ओरिएन्टेसन भनेको के हो भने कुनै पनि केमिकल रियाक्सन गर्दाखेरि जहिले पनि एउटै मात्रै प्रोडक्ट बन्छ भन्ने कुरो फिक्स्ड हुँदैन। अरू पनि 2-3 जति प्रोडक्टहरू बन्न सक्छन्, यिनीहरू पनि बन्न सक्छन्। हो, यो बन्दाखेरि कसरी चाहिँ बनौँ भनेर थाहा पाउने तरिकालाई भन्छ ओरिएन्टेसन। इन अ केमिकल रियाक्सन इफ देयर इज अ पोसिबिलिटी अफ फर्मेसन अफ one or more than one product, to know why product is formed predominantly is known as orientation. For example, in case of chlorination of propane, we have been studying that in presence of UV ray 250 to 400 degrees Celsius, it gives this one, that is N-propyl chloride and isopropyl chloride. We get these two products. So, to know why product is formed predominantly, this process is known as orientation. For example, we are going to study about propane when reacting with chlorine. The relative amount of N-propyl chloride and isopropyl chloride would depend upon the rate at which intermediate radicals are formed. It depends upon the rate at which intermediate radicals are formed. In propane compound, there are 6 primary hydrogens and 2 secondary hydrogen. The probability factor for the abstraction of 1 degree, and this is 2 degree. We have 1 degree, 1 degree and 2 degree. The probability factor for 1 degree is to 2 degree is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6 is to 2. We see this case. Whereas if we take 3 degree carbon, what is the probability factor? This is 1 degree, this is 1 degree hydrogen, this is 1 degree hydrogen, and this is 2 degree hydrogen. So 1 is to 2, 1 degree is to 2 degree is equals to 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9 is to 1. The probability factor for the abstraction of 1 degree is to 2 degree hydrogen is 6 is to 2. That means 3 is to 1. But in reality, the ratio of product formed of this 1 degree hydrogen attack, the ratio of product formed when of 1 degree hydrogen attack, and 2 degree hydrogen attack, is found to be 45 is to 55. 1 degree is to 2 degree is found to be 45 is to 55. So, probability factor alone cannot determine the orientation in halogenation. In this case, another factor is needed to be introduced. Probability factor is one thing, and another factor is needed to be introduced. That factor would be reactivity factor. So when we take the product of this factor and this factor, or when multiplied, we get the ratio of formation of N and iso. At room temperature, the relative reactivity rate for the abstraction of 3 degree is to 2 degree is to 1 degree is found to be 1 is to 3.8. This is 3.8 is to 9. Oh, 1 degree, 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree is found to be 9. 3 degree is 9 and 1 degree is 1. Oh, sorry. 1 degree, 1, 2 degree, 3.8 and 3 degree, 9. This is the case of chlorination. By using these reactivity values, we can calculate the ratio of isomeric product formed from given alkane. In case of chlorination of propane, we can calculate how much we can get the ratio of N-propyl chloride and isopropyl chloride. It is just by taking probability factor into and reactivity factor. Probability factor into reactivity factor. That is probability factor will be number of 1 degree hydrogen atom upon number of 2 degree hydrogen atom. In case of into what is the reactivity factor? Reactivity of 1 degree hydrogen atom upon reactivity of 1 degree hydrogen atom. So the yield of N-propyl chloride and yield of isopropyl chloride is equals to number of 1 degree hydrogen atom upon number of 2 degree hydrogen atom times reactivity of 1 degree hydrogen atom upon reactivity of 2 degree hydrogen atom. So we have calculated number of 1 degree hydrogen atom is 3 plus 3 6 and number of 2 degree hydrogen atom is 2. So 2 and reactivity of 1 degree hydrogen atom is to reactivity of 2 degree hydrogen atom. We have by hearted this 1 degree is to 2 degree is to 3 degree is equals to 1 is to 3.8 is to 9. 3 9 2 3.8 1 1. This is very easy to remember. So what do we get as answer? 3 upon 3.8. Now if it is asked to calculate the percentage yield of N-propyl chloride, then we can calculate it by upper value upon upper value plus lower value. This is mathematics. Open plus lower value. This is the formula to calculate percentage yield of N. For N we can calculate in this way. So what percentage do we get? 44.117 percentage. For percentage yield of isopropyl chloride is, no need to write this value. This value is for only N-propyl. We can get it by 100 minus 44.117 is equals to very close to 55%. The relative rate for the abstraction of hydrogen atom 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree hydrogen atom is 9 is to 3.8 is to 1. For 3 degrees to 2 degrees to 1 degree, 9 is to 3.8 is to 1 respectively. This is in case if we use it as chloride, but if we use as bromide, then we can calculate the number of hydrogen by this way. Okay, but 1 degree is to 2 degree is to 3 degree, relative reactivity would be 1 is to 1 to 82 is to 3 degree means 1600. In case of bromine, we take it in this way. This is for bromine and this is for chlorine. Question: predict the proportion of isomeric product from chlorination of N-butane and isobutane. What is butane? Butane is this one. Now we need to bring out its isomers, N isomer and isomer. So what would be the N-butane and isobutane? Okay, here this is the abstraction of or subtraction of 1 degree hydrogen and abstraction of 2 degree hydrogen. We get these two products. So we need to calculate yield of N-butane is to yield of isobutane. So what would be the yield of N-butane is to yield of isobutane? It will be number of 1 degree hydrogen atom upon number of 2 degree hydrogen atom, number of 1 degree hydrogen atom upon number of 2 degree hydrogen atom times reactivity of 1 degree hydrogen atoms upon reactivity of 2 degree hydrogen atom. Number of 1 degree hydrogen atom upon number of 2 degree hydrogen atom times reactivity of 1 degree hydrogen upon reactivity of 2 degree hydrogen atom. So let me count the number of 1 degree hydrogen atom. What are the number of 1 degree hydrogen atom? 3 plus 3, 6 divided by number of 2 degree hydrogen atom 2 into reactivity of 1 degree hydrogen. We need to by heart in case of chlorine. What is 1 degree is to 2 degree is to 3 degree is equals to 1 is to 3.8 is to 9. So reactivity of 1 degree hydrogen atom is 1 and 2 degrees 3.8, and while calculating we get this 3 upon 7.6. Now for percentage yield of N-butane is N-butyl chloride is upper value upon upper plus lower value is equals to blah blah blah. For percentage yield of 71%, we can do this in this way. Now we get another question from Old is Gold. Discuss the mechanism of halogenation of alkane. The relative reactivity of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree hydrogen of alkane to chlorination is 1 is to 3.3 is to 8 is to 5 respectively. Calculate the relative amount percentage of yield of 2 isomeric monochloropropane obtained from reaction of propane with chlorine. We do the question in this way. Propane when chlorinated gives this N propyl chloride and isopropyl chloride, and yield of N and yield of iso is equals to number of 1 degree hydrogen atom, number of 2 degree hydrogen atom times reactivity of 1 degree hydrogen atom upon reactivity of 2 degree hydrogen atom, and we get data here. And for N, upper value upon upper value plus lower value, and we calculate it here. And for N 100% minus for N value, for iso can be calculated in this way. We have already done it here as well. We have done it here and calculated. This is a very easy question. Previously, after studying the preparation of alkanes, we came to know that reactivity of alkanes, alkanes do not react with oxidizing agent or reducing agent or acid or base. Due to their low reactivity, they are also called parabens. So now we are going to see relative reactivity of alkanes to halogens. So what is the relative? Different alkane molecules have different reactivities at a particular halogen atom. For example, if alkane is changed, like ethane, methane, ethane, propane, butane are used, then reactivity will be changed. Whereas for different halogen as well, FCl, BRI, we don't take this BRNI. For chlorine and bromine as well, different reactivity is obtained. For previously we have studied that for bromine, the relative reactivity is of 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree ratio is 1:82 is to 1600. Whereas for chlorine is chlorine 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree is 1:3.8 is to 9. So there is difference caused while changing the alkane group as well as halogen group. The relative reactivity of different alkane towards a particular halogen is determined by the method of competition. Competition is a technique to determine which reacts faster. For example, we can take methane CH4 and ethane CH3 as an example. If these two have to react with, what do we do in the method of competition? In the method of competition, we give equal amount of halogen. For example, we give Cl. Now Cl2, okay. Cl2 is needed to be captured by methane as well as ethane. So there is a competition in these two substituents. In this method, equimolar amount of alkanes are allowed to react with limited amount of halogen atom. So what is competition? Okay, listen to this. It is in this method, equimolar amount of alkanes are allowed to react with limited amount of halogen atom. Since there is limited amount of halogen, there is competition in between two alkane molecules. The product which contains higher amount of halide is the major product, and the parent alkane is reactive alkane. If alkane goes and attaches here or here, how many times does it attach here? Is the major product. It's said to be the major product, whereas they are said to be the reactive alkane. For example, in case of methane and ethane, when we give chlorination, when we give chlorine to both of these, we get methane one time, whereas we get ethane 400 times. There's huge gap. At 27 degree, we give this at 27 degree Celsius. So we find out that CH3 CH2 Cl is the major product and ethane is reactive alkane. The product which contains higher amount of halide, this contains higher amount of halide, isn't it? 400 times is the major product. CH3 CH2 Cl is the major product and ethane is the reactive one. There has been done an experiment to find out the reactivity of methane and ethane. To do so, equimolar amount of methane and ethane are allowed to react with limited amount of chlorine at 27 degrees Celsius. There is competition between methane and ethane to first react with chlorine and form methyl chloride or ethyl chloride. We don't care. It has been found that amount of ethyl chloride formed is 400 times much higher than that of methyl chloride. This suggests that ethane is 400 times more reactive than methane. Ethane is 400 times more reactive than methane. And and another reactivity can be given by 1 degree is to 2 degree is to 3 degree. 3 degree. What did I do? CHHH 1 degree. Ethane this 2 degrees, this is more reactive, and 3 degrees very much more reactive because 3 degree occupies a large of area. In this way 3 degrees most reactive, then 2 degree, and then 1 degree. It is in this way. This is relative reactivity of alkane towards halogens. Now we are going to study about the ease of extraction of hydrogen atom. The rate determining step in the halogenation reaction of alkane for the formation of free alkyl halide radical is this one. This step is the rate determining step. The relative ease with which different classes of hydrogen atom are abstracted is 3 degree is to 2 degree is to 1 degree. 1 degree and then methyl group. For example, if this substrate is 3 degree, then it will be very easier for it to take free radical and give a hydrogen to produce HX. And if it is 2 degree, then it would be a bit difficult. 1 degree, it's a bit difficult, and then in methyl it's very difficult. So it goes in the order of 3 degrees to 2 degrees to 1 degree. This is the most difficult process. So this is the rate determining step. It all depends upon activation energy, how much we provide to this substrate. The difference in the reactivity of different types of alkane is due to difference in activation energy. Let us consider the abstraction of hydrogen of methane by chlorine free radical. And we take this one. The breaking of CH3 and CH3H requires 104 kilocalorie energy, while the energy released during the formation of HCl or HX is 103 kilocalorie per mole. It seems that only 1 kilocalorie energy is required to carry out the reaction, but actually it is not so. Experimentally, it has been found that additional 4 kilocalorie of energy is required to carry out the reaction. So by the study of series of halogenation, the measured value of activation energy are different. By the study of series of halogenation reaction, the measured value of activation energy is given in this way. CH3 4 kilocalorie per mole, and if it is CH3 and halogen group Br bromine, then 18 kilocalorie per mole. 1 degree 1 kilocalorie per mole. 1 degree bromine gas 13 kilocalorie per mole. In similar manner, 2 degree 3 degree 0.5 0.1 10 kilocalorie 2 kilocalorie. Why is it caused? In chlorination, the difference in the activation energy is so small, so there is not very vast difference between the reactivity of different class of alkanes. That is, this ratio goes in 1 is to 3.8 is to 9. 1 is to 3.8 is to 9. Whereas in bromination, the difference in activation energy is so high, so there is vast difference in reactivity of different classes of hydrogen of alkane. We know 1 is to 82 is to 1600. in this ratio it has been changing, and 1 is to 3.8 is to 9. It has been, in case of chlorine, it has been changing. So what we came to the conclusion, the rate determining step in extraction of hydrogen atom is RH plus X gives alkyl free radical plus HX. The relative reactivity is in order of 3:2:1. Reactivity is in order of 3 degree 2 degree 1 degree to alkyl methyl group. The difference in reactivity of different classes of alkane is due to difference in activation energy. Why is it caused? This is due to difference in activation energy. And the breaking of CS requires 104 kilocalorie energy, where energy released for the formation of HCl is 103 kilocalorie per mole. It seems that only 1 kilocalorie mole of energy is required to carry out the reaction, but actually it is not so. Experimentally, it has been found that additional 4 kilocalorie energy is required to carry out the reaction. By the series of halogenation reaction, the measured value of activation energy is given below. And this value. In chlorination, the difference in activation, why there is difference in activation energy? It is due to there is no vast difference. It is because reactivity, because there is also not very vast difference between the reactivity in different classes of alkanes. However, in bromination, the difference in activation energy is so high that there is not vast difference in reactivity of there is so vast difference in reactivity of different classes of hydrogen atom in alkane, that is 1:82:1600. This is all about the ease of extraction of hydrogen atom. Ease of extraction of hydrogen atom.